Yes, welcome ye thrice times welcome thee to another No Glasses. Now, if you're unfamiliar with No Glasses, where have you been, you fools? All it is, I take my glasses off and try and read something, without them, basically, and a hilarity often ensues. Now, today, I'm practicing for my new job. Yes, I've got a new job, isn't that fantastic? It is as a train announcer. So I'm going to practice some of my train announcement voiceovers without my glasses on. Oh dear. And glasses off. So we are going to start from the Reading area heading into London Paddington. Alright, here we go. The next train to arrive at platform 5 is the 14:37 service to London Paddington. Calling at Coleslaw, boring old earwig, ping pong, Holocaust, that's a bit harsh for Tilehurst. It's not particularly nice, but that's going a bit far. Holocaust, bread bin, Time Lord, mother-in-law, tadpole, num-num, slag, lonely Ian. Oh, poor old lonely Ian. Poor chap. Send him a biscuit or something. Oven, wet Dalek, boys and backgammon. Sock drawer, hat stand, weak earrings, earrings in a bread bin. These are much better station names, if you ask me, and indeed town names. Earrings in a bread bin, actor malfunction, we've all had one of those, old coat communism, and London Paddington. There we are, that was that one. I'm going to get sacked from this job, aren't I? Never mind. Right, next one, we're going to go from London Bridge to Hastings. Here we go. The next train to arrive on platform 7 is the 11:54 service to Hastings. Calling at Hitler's Goose. Hitler's Goose. Please comment Hitler-related puns. Hitler's Goose, gay pork, slapstick worms, chimney bacon, password, gaping Tom, don't ask, chessboard, knock it off. I'll have a return to knock it off, please. Knock it off. Duncan's spleen. Severe owls. We've all had a case of the severe owls. Hidden barracuda. Tonsils. Hash browns. Tonsil swells. Pants. Wombles. Stab vest. Itchy Tim. Oh, good old Itchy Tim. Itchy Tim, rubber fridge, waffle, cruel beret. Wet, soggy leotard. Yeah. Wet, soggy leotard. Soggy leotard's worrying squid. and Hastings. Well, there we are. Enjoy your train journeys, everyone. I'm clearly going to be fired after a week, but never mind. Good luck with life. Cheery bye!